with Colonel HS Shankar, Chairman and Managing Director, Alpha Design Technologies at DEFEXPO. Let me start by asking Colonel Shankar to give us an overview of the products and technologies Alpha Design Technologies brings to DEFEXPO. Colonel Shankar.
Yeah, our company Alpha Design Technologies encompasses quite a large number of projects and products related to the defense, aerospace, and of course the ground segments. And all these are encompassed in this stall, quite a large number of newer technologies, quite a large number of them again made by our R&D, and some of them with a collaborative basis along with our partners. We have here major projects concerning the long-range surveillance systems on the optoelectronic side called as LOROS, which can also be it has been modified so that the commander sitting in their bunker can operate it and also use it at his will, and also have a picture in front of him as to what is going on in the outer direction, in the outside, at a distance of approximately 30 to 35 kilometers. Behind me are the basic subsystems of the tank fire control system. We have done more than 1,000 numbers of T-72 tanks on which we have fitted the thermal imager based fire control system, which was not there earlier, so that a new life is given to T-72 tanks. And similar thing we have done on the BMP-2, which is the infantry combat vehicle of the Indian Army. In that we have done 969 numbers indigenously, so that these two give an upgradation for the tanks and the infantry combat vehicles in a manner that was unheard of even about 3 to 4 years back. Similarly, we are in the communication side. The newest technology is the software-defined radios. And the software-defined radios, we are doing it with purely indigenous waveform development, and that is in the final stages of being offered to Army and also to Air Force. Then of course EW, we are very strong. And the last segment which I would like to mention is on the space activities. We are the first company to be given the opportunity for making the complete satellite systems by the ISRO. And we have done IRNSS 1I, which is for the GPS, Indian GPS, and the second one which we have recently launched from New Guinea, French New Guinea. That was about 2 months back. It's a communication satellite. It's a 3.5 ton satellite, and that has been a huge success. So these things combined together is available for the Indian Defence Forces as also the space organizations as a little contribution, what we call as Alilu Seva, that is for the small service which we do for the Indian Defence Forces. We are well geared up. We have got 1,200 very good engineers and going strong, and most of them are very young people, and we have a very, very bright future for all of them. And we have excellent support from the media, from our own friends here who is now taking care, Ravi and company, of the media, and we look forward to similar association for together bringing up and making the Make in India project a complete success.
Sir, one last word on the Mi-17 upgrade project.
Mi-17's Indian Air Force has got some of the older versions of Mi-17 and the newer versions. The older versions, we are giving a new lease of life by adding a complete new set of smart displays, then the missile approach warning systems, which is based on the missile launch detection systems, which we manufacture here, and then the communication network, IFF, which is a transponder of the highest version. So all of them combined will give a new lease of life to 90 numbers of Mi-17, which is being done here in our own company for the Indian Air Force.
So it's been a pleasure talking to you. All the best.